going to put this spackle that I tinted into a pastry bag. Okay, so we're going to come down in, keep your index finger and just hold on to the knife as you're putting it down. That way it doesn't go all over your pastry bag. Makes it a lot neater. And that's another reason you fold it all the way down as well. Okay, bring it up, shake it a little bit, get it down in there. And you're good to go when I'm ready. Okay? Okay, so I also decided, as I was painting this, to go ahead and do this color yellow. So this will be for sure a candy corn cake. I like it a lot better. Now I don't mind this color up here. As a matter of fact, I like it because of the contrast. Okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking my Folk Art Matte Finish Sunny Yellow and finishing off these little flowers. And then I'll start placing the candy corn. And I'll bring you down and show you what I did. Okay guys, what do you think? Now I'm happy with this. Before I was not, it just wasn't jiving with me. I didn't like it. Now I do. This is an adorable Halloween faux cake. So we have our little candy corns that we made out of the Model Magic, and then our little sugar sticks. Look how cute those are, the little miniature. And then look at these tiny little candy corns. Aren't they adorable? And I like now that I put in the lightweight spackle on top, and it's just swirled white with yellow. I think you can see that. Goes perfect with the candy corn. Hi everyone, we're going to finish our candy corn cake. All I need to do is put yellow at the bottom here, because we already have the top all decorated with the little candy corns that we made, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some yellow acrylic paint, and I'm not going to mix all of this yellow, because I'm not going to need all of it. I'll mix it in another container. We'll get this all mixed up. We'll put it in a piping bag and we'll pipe it. Okay, I have the piping bag ready. This is a 16-inch and this is a 1M Open Star, which is my absolute favorite. I use that more than anything. We've got our little cake, got a container. Got to put yellow in here. And sometimes you can be fooled by this, thinking, it's not going to take that much, and sometimes it does. So I may be fooled, Actually, well, I don't know. You know what? Sometimes it amazes me how much it takes. I could have just left it in there if that's the case, but you never know. I'm using a real bright yellow. It's going to mute down because of the white. Whenever you mix anything with white, it becomes more pastel. But I will take this out immediately after and wash these containers out because I use them over for my spackle. Anything that has a good lid, Cool Whip, yogurts, anything that will keep it airtight, right? I may go over these with this yellow. You guys, I could have used that, doggone it. See what I mean? You never know. I can already tell it'll take all of it, but that's okay. Like I said, I'll just go wash both containers. It's not a big deal. I bought more spackle, by the way. It is getting extremely, ridiculously expensive. I paid them $28 for one container of lightweight spackle. Okay. Okay, now. I have particular utensils I use. Never put this in your sink. Disclaimer, you do not want dried up plaster of Paris or spackle in your pipes. Wash it outside. Okay. I always fold this way down over my hand. Everyone has their own way of doing it. This is my way. See? With my finger, I pull it down from the outside of the bag. Okay. And then I just twist this really tight, put it around my finger, make sure that it's way down. I should have thought of this before I did it. That's okay, don't you worry. You just get some of our wax paper. You want wax or parchment because you don't want this where you can't get it off. You know what I mean? Don't put it on regular paper. I'm going to go get my Lazy Susan. Okay. That's what I should have done first, because I like to just be able to and this will stay, if there's anything left in my bag, this will stay fresh for a couple weeks if I put the nozzle, my little pink nozzle, or a baggie with a wet paper towel and rubber band this up. Okay. The little bits that okay. Okay, we're going to let that dry. That is cute. I like it. Our little candy corn cake. There you go. Guys, I'll show you this up close when it dries. There you go. There's your candy corn cake with homemade candy corns and the candy corn looking sugar sticks. I hope you like this. I hope you'll try it, guys, until we get together again. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.